Now we discussed about the classification of phylum Chordata. First we discussed about the main features of or common features of phylum Chordata. First point, notochord present at some stage of life cycle. Notochord is a special structure that's seen in embryonic stage. In some cases it is replaced by backbone. Second point, dorsal tubular nerve cord present. Dorsal tubular nerve cord present. It is a hollow tubular structure that's seen in embryonic stage. Third, gill slits present at some stage. Gill slits. In case of chordates, these three structures are common in all embryos of chordates, but in some cases the gill slits persist, or in some cases, in case of fishes, gill slits present throughout their life cycle. Body with head, trunk and two pair of appendages. In embryonic stage, notochord, dorsal tubular nerve cord, gill slits, etc. are present in case of all chordates. The other feature of chordate is body is differentiated into head, trunk and two pair of appendages. The appendages may be fins, legs, wings, etc. Next, classification of chordata. In case of phylum Chordata, there are mainly three subphylum. Subphylum Urochordata, subphylum Cephalochordata and subphylum Vertebrata. Phylum Chordata differentiated into subphylum Urochordata. Example, Headmania. Headmania. Second subphylum Cephalochordata. Example, Amphioxus. Third subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata. All animals with backbone. Vertebrate means all animals with backbone. All animals Again, the subphylum Vertebrata differentiated into superclasses. There are mainly two superclasses, superclass Agnatha and Gnathostomata. The subphylum Vertebrata Subphylum Vertebrata is again classified into superclasses. Superclass Agnatha. That means jawless animals. Then superclass Gnathostomata. The subphylum Vertebrata classified into two superclasses, superclass Agnatha and Gnathostomata. The superclass Agnatha is again classified into class Cyclostomata. Here is only one class under superclass Agnatha. Example of class Cyclostomata is Petromyzon. This superclass Gnathostomata jawed animal is again classified into further classes. That means superclass Gnathostomata is classified into class Chondrichthyes, class Osteichthyes, class Amphibia, then class Reptilia, class Aves, then class Mammalia. Once more, the phylum Chordata is classified into subphylums. Subphylum Urochordata, subphylum Cephalochordata and subphylum Vertebrata. The subphylum Vertebrata is again classified into two superclasses, superclass Agnatha, jawless animals, and Gnathostomata. The Agnatha is again classified into only class, single class Cyclostomata, example Petromyzon. The superclass Gnathostomata, jawed animals, are classified into further classes, class Chondrichthyes, class Osteichthyes, class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Aves and class Mammalia. Then the next differences between Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fishes and Osteichthyes means bony fishes. First, Chondrichthyes. Second, Osteichthyes. The main features of Chondrichthyes. ventral mouth. Mouth situated on ventral side of the body. In case of ostrichs, mouth is terminal. Next, chondrichthyes tail heterocircle. Heterocircle. That means the two lobes of tail is in different size. In case of bony fishes, tail is homocircle. The lobes of tail in equal size. Third point, in case of chondrichthyes, skeleton cartilaginous. Skeleton cartilaginous, made up of cartilage. In case of bony fishes, the skeleton is made up of bones. Skeleton made up of bones. Next point, with 5 to 7 pair of gills present in case of chondrichthyes. With 5 to 7 pairs of gills present. In case of bony fishes, only 4 pairs of gills are present. 4 pairs of gills are present. In case of bony fish, cartilaginous fishes, operculum not present. Operculum not present in case of chondrichthyes. Absent. In case of bony fishes, the gills are covered with operculum. The gills are covered with operculum. That means operculum present. Example of chondrichthyes: scoliodon or dogfish, rays, etc. In case of chondrichthyes, examples lobio, mackerel, sardine, etc. Scoliodon, electric rays, etc. are examples of chondrichthyes. In case of ostrichthyes, labio, sardine, mackerel, etc. are examples of ostrichthyes. Now we discussed two classes, class chondrichthyes and class ostrichthyes. Next class, class amphibia. Next class, class amphibia. What are the main features of class amphibia? In case of amphibians, life cycle complete in land and water. Life cycle complete in land and water. Second point is skin rough or glanded. Skin rough with glands, or some cases the skin is smooth. The common character, skin rough with glands. In case of Rana hexadactyla, the skin is very soft and smooth. But commonly the skin is rough and with glands. Third point, two pair of limbs with pentadactyl digits without claws. Two pair of limbs. Pentadactyl digits, like a human being, the pentadactyl digits. Without claws. Without claws. Fourth point, tympanum. The lid cover the ear, that is tympanum. Tympanum present. Three-chambered heart. Three-chambered heart. Two auricle and one ventricle. Three-chambered heart. Larval stage is present. Larva with tail. Larva, tadpole in case of frog. Larva with tail. Example, Salamandra rana. Next class Reptilia. The main features of class Reptilia are body covered with horny scales, pentadactyl limbs with clawed digits, respiration through lungs. The eggs are leathery shelled eggs. Example, cobra, wall lizard, etc. Next class aves, birds. The main features of birds are warm-blooded endothermal animals with fixed body temperature, body with feathers and beak, pneumatic bones. There are some air spaces seen in bones, that means pneumatic bones, to reduce the weight of the body. Wings helps for flight. Four-chambered heart and lungs connected with air sacs. Four-chambered heart and lungs connected with air sacs. Voice box or syrinx present. Only left ovary and oviduct present. All are oviparous. All birds are egg-laying. Example, there are two types of birds, flying birds, pavo, columba, etc. and flightless birds, that means example ostrich and kiwi. Next class Mammalia. The common features of Mammalia: body covered with hair, mammary glands present. They give birth to young ones and feed milk. Set and sebaceous glands present on skin, pinna present. Digits with pinna present. Digits with claws, nails or hooves. Claws, nails or hooves present. Dentition, thecodont and heterodont. Thecodont means teeth are situated on the sockets of jaw bones, and heterodonts means there are four types of dentition. Then 7 neck vertebrae are present to all mammals and homeothermal, that means fixed body temperature. 4-chambered heart, 2 artery and 2 ventricles, viviparous. Placenta helps for nourishment. Viviparous means they give birth to young ones and pleasant helps for nourishment in a mother's body. The dentition, incisors, canine, premolars and molars. There are 4 types of teeth present in case of mammals. The class Mammalia again divided into subclasses. Class Mammalia again divided into subclasses. The subclass Protothera, subclass Protothera, subclass Metathera, subclass Prototheria, subclass Metatheria, and third subclass Eutheria or Euthera. The class Mammalia again divided into 3 subclasses. Subclass Prototheria, subclass Metatheria, and subclass Eutheria. The Prototheria example duckbill platypus. Duckbill platypus. Example of Metatheria, kangaroo. The Eutheria again divided into 7 orders. 7 orders. The subclass Eutheria with 7 orders. Order Rodentia, order Chiroptera, order Carnivora, order Primates, order Cetaceae, order Proboscida, then last order Ungulata. The class Mammalia is subdivided into subclass Prototheria, subclass Metatheria, and subclass Eutheria. Examples of subclass Prototheria: duckbill platypus. Subclass Metatheria, example kangaroo. The subclass Eutheria is again divided into orders, 7 orders. Order Rodentia, order Chiroptera, order Carnivora, order Primates, order Cetaceae, order Proboscida, and order Ungulata. The main characters of order Rodentia. Characters of order Rodentia. Order Rodentia. Herbivores. Members are herbivores. Terrestrial with a long chisel. Terrestrial terrestrial with long chisel shaped incisors. With long chisel shaped incisors. Example, squirrel. Second order Chiroptera. Order Chiroptera. Order Chiroptera. The main characters: flying mammals. Flying mammals. Patagium present. Patagium present. Nocturnal habit. Nocturnal habit. Example, bat. The third order Carnivora. Order Carnivora. The characters: they are flesh eating with sharp canines, fingers with claws. Example, tiger. The fourth order primates. Main characters: binomial or binocular vision. They can sense depth. The two eyes are situated on same plane. So they can check the depth. Binocular vision, developed brain. Digits with flat nails. Thoracic mammae present. Thoracic part of body with mammary glands. Thoracic mammae present. Example, apes. Fifth order Cetacea. Order Cetacea. They are aquatic animals. No neck. Fish-like body. Four limbs. The four limbs changed to pedals. Example, whale. The subclass Prototheria, Metatheria and Eutheria. The Eutheria with 7 orders. Order Rodentia. Herbaceous, terrestrial with long chisel-shaped incisors. Example, squirrel. Order Chiroptera. Flying mammals, Patagium present. Nocturnal in habit. Order Carnivora, flesh eating with sharp canines, fingers with claws. Example, tiger. Order primates. Binocular vision, developed brain, digits with flat nails, thoracic mammae present. Example, apes. Fifth order Cetacea, aquatic, no neck, fish-like body, 4 limbs, changed to pedals for swimming. Example, whales. The sixth order Proboscidae. Proboscida. Characters: large animals, large terrestrial animals. Nose fused with upper lip form trunk. Nose fused with upper lip form trunk. Huge tusk present. Huge tusks present. Example, elephant. The last order, the seventh order Ungulata. Order Ungulata. The main characters: hoofed mammals. Hoofed mammals, domesticated by human beings. Domesticated animals. They are domestic animals. Domesticated animals. Abdominal mammary glands present. Example, sheep. Now we cover all 7 orders under the subclass Eutheria. Order Rodentia, Chiroptera, Carnivora, Primates, Cetacea, Proboscida and Ungulata. Now we already complete the classification of phylum Chordata. We discuss the main features of phylum Chordata.